Welcome to this session, English language, grammar, usage, vocabulary. In English, no two words are exactly the same in meaning. What we call synonyms are merely more or less similar words with finer distinction in their practical application. One such pair of words, achieve and accomplish, are only apparently synonymous. Here we will discuss the main distinction, the finer shades of nuances, and also give you a short quiz to help you understand the difference better. So, here we go to explore in a bit more detail the subtle difference between achieve and accomplish. Before we plunge into the finer nuances of the two words, achieve and accomplish, let us be clear about these 3 points. 1. In many cases, they're used interchangeably. 2. Both mean success that deserves praise. 3. We can say an accomplished person, but not an achieved person. The simplest and easiest way to remember when to opt for achieve and when to prefer accomplish may be summarized in a nutshell thus. Achieve a goal, that is, a cherished dream or aspiration. Accomplish a task, that is, complete a task or assignment set. You may have a dream or goal to, say, conquer Mount Everest. It is a cherished long-term wish, but nothing concretely tangible. When you succeed in realizing it, you have achieved your childhood dream or goal. But once you really start your expedition, you have a clear-cut task set out, you must reach the top. Reaching the summit means you have accomplished the task. So, remembering, achieve a goal and accomplish a task is the easiest guide to choosing between the two words in any context or situation. Sometimes, a task may not be fully accomplished in spite of a successful achievement. Similarly, accomplishment may be there without the planned achievement. Here is a simple example. The army achieved commendable success in penetrating the enemy's hideouts, but could not accomplish the task of rescuing all the hostages alive. The army mission was an achievement. But the task, rescuing everyone alive, wasn't accomplished. Remembering our sapient adage, achieving a goal, but accomplish a task, and also that, in many cases, either of these can be used. Here is a simple, self-test quiz to assess our understanding of the best use of these terms. Let's check out our knowledge. Let us start with the quiz, in order to clear our concept on the difference between the use of the two words, achieve and accomplish. Each sentence has a blank, with two options. You may fill the blank with achieve or accomplish. There is a timer that gives you 5 seconds to think and decide. And then we give you the correct answer. So, the interesting quiz starts now. Question 1. I want to, dash, the goal of winning the spell bee this year. Repeat, I want to, dash, the goal of winning the spell bee this year. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. I want to achieve the goal of winning the spell bee this year. The correct word is achieve. Remember, achieve a goal. Question 2. Maria, dash, her science project before the deadline. Repeat, Maria, her science project, before the deadline. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. Maria accomplished her science project before the deadline. Correct answer, accomplished. Remember, accomplish a task. Question 3. With hard work you can anything you dream of. Repeat, with hard work you can anything you dream of. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. With hard work, you can achieve anything you dream of. Preferred word, achieve. Remember, achieve a goal or dream. Question 4. The team all the tasks on their checklist. Repeat, the team all the tasks on their checklist. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. The team accomplished all the tasks on their checklist. Correct word, accomplished. Remember, accomplish a task or tasks. Question 5. Rahul studied very hard to good grades in math. Repeat, Rahul studied very hard to good grades in math. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. Rahul studied very hard to achieve good grades in math. Correct word, achieve. Remember, achieve a goal. Question 6. She her dream of learning to play the piano. Repeat, she her dream of learning to play the piano. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. She achieved her dream of learning to play the piano. Correct word, achieve. Remember, achieve a goal or dream. Question 7. They the mission successfully. Repeat, they the mission successfully. Fill in the blank space with achieved or accomplished. They accomplished the mission successfully. Preferred word, accomplished. Remember, accomplish a task or a mission. Question 8. I hope to my goal of becoming a teacher. Repeat, I hope to my goal of becoming a teacher. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. I hope to achieve my goal of becoming a teacher. Correct word, achieve. Remember, achieve a goal or dream. Question 9. We dash cleaning the entire house in one day. Repeat, we dash cleaning the entire house in one day. Fill in the blank space with achieve or accomplish. We accomplished cleaning the entire house in one day. Correct word, accomplished. Remember, accomplish a task. So, that was a short quiz to understand the difference between use of achieve and use of accomplish. The easiest way to remember is achieve a goal or dream, but accomplish a task or mission. Hope you found it interesting and informative. Thank you and goodbye.